Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Dipesh from cyberworks.ai. Today I would like to show you how you can use ChatGPT to do a very special kind of thinking, which is called first principles thinking. Using this style of thought, one of the most innovative and famous innovators of modern world has created some of the most exciting products that we use today. As you know, Elon Musk, he had been using the first principles to design many revolutionary products. For example, a rocket that can land by itself, or the Tesla motor, for example, the way he designed the vehicles which meet the price and performance standpoint, and many other products which are quite revolutionary by itself. So, given the fact that he can reach such great success points in his life, what would you do if you want to apply first principles thinking in your startup company? So, if you want to learn how to use first principles thinking, same like Elon Musk, you can use a tool called ChatGPT and get results and understand how first principles thinking works. So you can do all this by working alone, and you can use the ChatGPT, which is an incredible product which has a lot of capabilities to think in different ways and take different approaches to thought process. It has a lot of knowledge base, and using different angles of thought, it can give you quite reliable results. So let me show you how you can use first principles thinking to innovatively think of a next big thing. Let us imagine that what the next big thing could be. For example, let us imagine that we are the owner of a startup company and we want to design a USB drive which is better than the current dominant market USB design, which is called USB-C. So let me ask the question to ChatGPT whether it can help me design a better USB drive. Let me ask the question like this. So I'm asking ChatGPT to take the approach of first principles thinking and act as an innovator who is designing a new USB is that should overcome the drawbacks of the current USB-C port, and also be better at data communication, portability, and adoption. Suggest me the points that I should keep in mind while USB port. Now let me see how ChatGPT responds to it. So when we apply first principles thinking, we would like to decompose the problem into its basic components and then construct the new product using those basic features that these products should support. We need to keep in mind that when we design a new product, we think of the understanding the user's needs, of course, universal compatibility, data transfer speeds, aim for faster data speeds. USB 3.2 and USB 4.0 offer impressive speeds, but innovation could push the boundaries even further. Portability and form factor. Design a compact and portable form factor that allows users to carry the USB drive conveniently. So it is asking us to design a USB drive which can be used conveniently. As you know that USB-C already is quite convenient, but we can design something that is more convenient. So let us see how we can make it to be easy to use. Make the USB drive user-friendly with easy plug-and-play functionality. So as an innovator, you can think how you can make it easy for plug-and-play functionality. You can also make it secure. You can also think about the durability and longevity. Sometimes some USB drives would be quite quite weak, but if you can design a USB drive which is much more durable and long lasting, then obviously you can make a stronger impact into the market. Also, energy efficiency is very important. If you have a USB port that works at a much lower voltage and current, then it will be more adaptable. For example, it can be used in areas where the current is not so stable or the current supply is much less than the standard current supply. Imagine places which are fed by solar power and the solar power is intermittent, as well as you need to save battery life. For example, when you have systems which are running in extreme conditions. So we need to think like this, and it is giving me some ways by which we can think in terms of using the first principles theory. But I would like to generate a better result from it. So I will ask in a different way. Take the approach of the owner of a startup company and apply. It is different from the existing port that are available, as well as some points that would help me capture market upon launch, as well as meet customer expectations. Now let me see how it can generate this kind of response. You can see when we mention that we have to apply first principles thinking when we structure our question in a different way. Here the structure is slightly different. We have asked ChatGPT to take the approach of the owner of a startup company and apply first principles theory to design a new type of USB. Here my question structure is much more organized. I'm asking it to take the approach of an owner and what to apply at the beginning of the sentence. So here ChatGPT is able to think more clearly and come up with a solution which looks better than the first one. Here you can see it is applying first principles theory. It is identifying the core problems. It is reimagining the form and function. So in first principles theory, we decompose the existing product or problem, and then we reconstruct a new product which meets the requirement of the future use case, and obviously it would be better than the previous product that we decomposed. So universal compatibility, data transfer speeds, prioritize ultra-fast data speeds exceeding the capabilities of the current USB standards, aims for speeds that can handle 8K video streaming and large file transfers effortlessly. So when you are thinking of a new product, you should think in this way. Now imagine that you have a ChatGPT, a tool so powerful like this. You can actually do a brainstorm by just asking questions to ChatGPT instead of hiring a person to do a first principles thinking and sit with you. You can actually use ChatGPT and use the correct prompt engineering approaches to get to some solution which is much better than if you had been thinking all by yourself. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that you can think and you will know what you don't know. So that is one area which is very strong in ChatGPT, which it gives you solutions from areas that you have not thought about before. So you can see that it's giving quite a large number of even it's also giving me a launch strategy. You see it's saying develop a compelling marketing and launch strategy to create anticipation and excitement in the market, showcase the unique features and benefits of your USB port. So open standards, licensing, partnerships, and ecosystem. So it is basically telling me what I should do in order to succeed with my product. It is also telling me how we can do a pricing strategy, customer support and warranty, and all these things. So I think using this kind of tool, we can single-handedly design and come up with new ideas. So go ahead and use ChatGPT and enhance your creative thinking capabilities. I hope that if you are starting your new business, ChatGPT is going to help you to design new products, think about innovation, and come up with solutions that you may not have in your mind initially. But using ChatGPT and using prompt engineering, you can come up with this kind of thought process, which will help you develop new products. I hope you like the video, so please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. See you again. Thank you.